Need a quick overview of how your boxes are progressing? Let's explore the boxes by status report in BigPicture. This report gives you a clear visualization of the distribution of boxes across different statuses. The report presents two key insights: the number of boxes in each status and the percentage of all boxes represented by each status. The data is displayed on a pie chart, making it easy to quickly understand the overall progress of your work. The report summarizes boxes across three statuses: not started, in progress, and closed. This allows you to instantly identify how much work is yet to begin, what is currently underway, and what has already been completed. To see more detailed information, simply hover over a section of the pie chart. A tooltip will display the total number of boxes assigned to the selected status directly inside the chart. Each report allows you to add a public note, making it easy to share context. Just remember, these notes are only visible within BigPicture and aren't synchronized with Jira. You can also refresh the data at any time and zoom in to focus on specific details. The Boxes by Status report is available in multiple places across BigPicture: on the home page, in the hierarchy view of the Overview module, in the info bar panel of the Gantt module, in the Details view of the Scope module, in the Backlog of the Resources module, and in the info bar panel of the Board module. That's all. The Boxes by Status report helps you easily track box progress and gain a clear overview of work status distribution.